Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Opportunities Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform for youth. We are back with another video. Today in this video we are going to give you details about the Turkey government scholarship. Turkey is the second country in the world with access to higher education with 94.2% schooling rate. Turkey, involved in European higher education area, is implementing the Bologna process in a perfect way. The degree that is provided from a university in Turkey is recognized in all European countries and all around the world. There are 207 universities in Turkey with a population of 82 million. The number of students is close to 8 million. With this number of students, Turkey is the first country with the most students in European higher education area. There are nearly 60,000 different programs and 207 universities. Turkey, which has hosted many deep-rooted civilizations in its territory of thousands of years, is almost a mosaic of cultures. In this country, where countless civilizations have been hosted, everyone is tolerant and respectful to each other. Turkey, where you can find a piece of your roots and perhaps can meet people who speak your language, is ideal for students with its safe and peaceful environment. Turkey, which experiences 4 seasons, has a reputation of its natural beauties all over the world. One of the best scholarship applications has been opened. Turkey Government Scholarship 2021 is offering education opportunities to all international students to study free in Turkey. The Turkey Bursary Scholarship 2021 is one of the most competitive scholarship programs in the world. All scholars will be able to study in the most prestigious universities in Turkey. This Turkish Government Scholarship 2021 in Turkey is opened at all possible degree levels, including undergraduate, master's and doctoral degree programs. There are vast opportunities along with educational experiences in Turkey. All students will gain a new and unique perspective for studying in Turkey. The Turkey scholarships for international students are highly competitive, awarding and government funded in order to assist the students to pursue short-term or full-time degree programs. The aim of the scholarship is to create mutual understanding among different societies and countries. Students are required to attend the one-year Turkish language program along with the degree. The deadline for the scholarship program is 20th February. Here are some more details about the fully funded Turkey Government Scholarship 2021. The host country is Turkey. This is a fully funded scholarship by the Turkish government, and all citizens can apply from all regions around the world except being Turkish citizens. The eligibility criteria for the Turkey Government Scholarship: minimum academic criteria. Minimum academic achievement for undergraduate applicants is 70%. Minimum academic achievement for master's and doctoral candidates is 75%. Minimum academic achievement for applicants of health sciences, medical, dentistry and pharmacy is 90%. The age criteria for the scholarship program is: for an undergraduate program, the candidate must be under 21 years of age. For the master's program, the candidate must be under 30 years of age. And for the doctoral programs, the candidate must be under 35 years of age. The eligible countries: citizens of all countries except Turkey are eligible for scholarship from Turkey government. Graduates or applicants who can graduate at the time of the current academic year before September 2021. Researchers and academics. The benefits of the Turkey Scholarship Program 2021. These government-funded Turkey scholarships don't only provide financial support but also place students at high-class universities. Furthermore, after graduation, all scholars become part of the alumni group and make positive changes in the community. There are more than 150,000 students who have availed of this scholarship and are employed in recognized firms. There is no application fees. Monthly stipend of up to 800 Turkish liras is provided. Tuition fee waiver. Return flight tickets to your respective countries. Health insurance, accommodation will also be provided. Full coverage of the one-year Turkish language program. Monthly stipend of up to 1100 Turkish liras for master's degree scholars and monthly stipend of up to 1600 Turkish liras for doctoral degree scholars. The application process and required documents. Candidates should read the eligibility criteria carefully before applying. Applications can be submitted online without any admission fee. There is no application fee. Applicants should be acknowledged with the fact that there is some application for university placement and scholarship. The required documents are a transcript, a scanned copy of your national identity card or a passport, a recent photograph, a recommendation letter, an English language certificate, a statement of purpose, certificate of your graduation, international exam scores, research plan for PhD applicants, and previous degrees and diploma certificates. The application process for the Turkey Government Scholarship 2021. Applications can only be made individually through the official website of the Turkey Government Scholarship that is linked in our official website. Applicants must send and upload the necessary documents for the application system. Applications delivered by mail, courier or hand will not be accepted. The applications are free. Please do not entertain any third-party institution or people who offer to make an application on your behalf in exchange for a fee. The Turkey scholarships include scholarship and university placement at the same time. Applicants will be located in a university and program among their 12 preferences that they choose in the application system. You can also apply for the following scholarship for international students. For more details, you can visit the links and you can click on Apply Now to be directly redirected to the official website of the Turkey Scholarship.
Are you enjoying the video? Do press the like button below and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and latest content. Also join us on our Telegram to get daily opportunities directly to your inbox.
This is the main page of Turkey Bursary Scholarship 2021. After clicking on the Apply Now link, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you have to create an account. You need to register before initiating an application. Signing up is free of charge and will take approximately 2 minutes. Signing up only once will be sufficient. The accuracy of the information you provide in your application is crucial in order to be considered for the scholarship award. The application process takes about 30 to 60 minutes. You can visit scholarship search page to find the scholarship program that works best for you. For more information, please refer to the scholarship application manual and visit our website. You can create an account by clicking on register. Here, after clicking on registered, you will be redirected to this account activation page. From here, you have to enter your name, your middle name and your surname. You have to select your gender from this drop-down list, your date of birth, nationality and citizenship, your email address, password, secret question, and then you have to prove that you're not a robot. After successfully adding in all your information, you will be asked to approve your information. Click on I approve and then click on Save. Then you will be redirected to this page which says, Dear, your name, registration has been successfully completed. Thank you for choosing Turkey Scholarships. An activation email has been sent to your email address to activate this account. Please proceed to your email to complete activation. Attention! Activation email will expire if not approved within 28 hours. These emails may be detected as spam, so please check your spam junk folders. We have our email. The email is in Turkish language. You can translate it to English. So here is the email. You have to click on the activation link. After clicking on the application link, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, click on this link. And then you have to sign in to your account again. After signing in, you will see that you will be redirected to your personal information page. On this page, you can see on the left hand side, there are different tabs: home page, personal information, family information, contact info, education information, language details, work experience, academic qualification, social activities, Turkey experience, and my applications. You have to fill in all these sections. In this section, you have to give in your mother's name. Is your mother alive? Your father's name. Is your father alive? Number of siblings, your marital status, and your total monthly income. Then you have to fill in your contact info. This should be your current contact info, country, city, your postal code, phone, home phone, mobile phone number, your address, street, building number, and door number. Please tick the following box if your residential address is different from your contact information. Please state how long have you been living on this address in months or years. Then your social media links, education information. All the education information that you add in over here must be correct. You have to add in your middle school, country in which you went, city, school name, status, start date, graduation date, grade type, grades, and here are your grades. A picture of your diploma and your transcript. Please indicate any achievement you obtained during your education. Example, the best performing students. You can select that if you have achieved any significant ranking at this. experiences abroad. Your country of nationality and the country in which you have completed your education is different. Please provide brief information on your education in that country. Go back to the education information. Your high school procedure is same to fill in this form as well. Click on Save. Your associate degree, bachelor's degree. The procedure to add in all your degrees is the same. Then you have to go on to language details. Your native language, you can select from the drop down list. Click on Save. Any other language skills you have, to add that, click on Add. Click on Save. And your Turkish language skills. Do you speak Turkish? Please select Yes or No. Click on Save. Then go to Work Experience. Company, institution name, date, title and employee status. You have to click on Add. To add your country in which you have done your work experience, company, institution name, position at which you were working, employment status, currently employed or left, employment start date and end date. Please give the details about your responsibilities at this job. Click on Save and then you have to attach your CV. And then click on Save and then go to Academic Qualifications. Some universities and programs require results from international delivered exams such as GRE, GMAT, SAT and ALES. As a condition of registration, when selecting universities and programs, candidates should check their academic qualification requirements at special terms. Those candidates who have such documents are required to fill in the related fields. You have to click on Add. So after clicking on Add, you have to add in your academic qualification, the exam name, the exam that you have taken, your exam date, the year or date, and the month in which you have taken the exam, your grade, and then the country in which you took your exam, and you have to provide a proving document that proves that you have taken the exam. Then click on Save. Your qualification will be added, and you have to go on to social activities. In social activities, you have to add in your award, project, certificate. Click on Add. Add your award, project, certificate or scholarship that you have been given in the past. Voluntary activities that you have taken. Click on Add. Add in the name, institute, NGO that you served at, and the description. Click on Save and then go to Turkey Experience. In the Turkey Experience section, click on Edit to edit the information. Over here, you have to select are you in Turkey now or have you ever been to Turkey? Select Yes or No. Then you have to select in your Turkey Experience. Please specify how you learned about the scholarship, advertisement, announcement, another website, education consultancy firm, education fair, educational institution, friend, relative, other, Republic of Turkey representation offices, social media, Turkey scholarship holder or graduate, Turkey scholarships website. Then you have to select do you have a relative who is currently or was previously a holder of a Turkey scholarship. Select from yes or no. Do you have any relative living in Turkey? Again you have to select yes or no. Click on Save. In the My Application section, you will have your previous application saved over here. On the home page, you can select Bachelor's Degree, Undergraduate Scholarship Program, Arts Scholarship Program, Master's Degree. From here you can select the Graduate Scholarship Program and Arts Scholarship Program, PhD and Research. If you're applying for Master's Degree Scholarship, click on Apply. Click on Add Now. As I've told you before, you have to add in all your school and degree data over here. Scholarship programs and departments will be offered to you based on the information you provide in this section. Please start with entering details on your high school education. Please enter all relevant information about your educational background, including the current educational level. For each educational level, please click on Add Plus button above. Please make sure you enter the requested information correctly in this area. To edit or delete any field of education, read carefully the following explanations. Number 1. If you have not applied for any scholarship program, use the Edit button to make changes to the fields of education. To delete fields of education, start by deleting the most recent education level you have specified. You can re-enter the areas you have deleted again by following the order. If you have a current application for a scholarship program, in the My Applications menu, delete your existing application. After the application has been deleted, you may perform the action in the item number 1. Thank you so much for watching our step-by-step Turkey Government Scholarship Application Form Guide. We hope that this video was helpful for you. We will be back with more videos. Stay tuned to our channel.